Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Is the screen visible? Do let me know. Turn on your videos, everyone. Ajish, Nandini, Havik, Saptarshi, Sai. Do turn on your videos, dear.
Ma'am, screen is black, ma'am.
If the screen is black, Sai, please exit and rejoin, dear.
Ma'am.
We shall just wait for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us, beta. 2 minutes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, dear. We shall wait for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us.
Ma'am,
Yes, Utkarsh.
once my mother complained about the books. The books have came, but the mathematics book. This is the mathematics book, and it is little bit burned over here, and it is being seen in the inside also. It is being burned.
I could not understand you, Utkarsh. Utkarsh, I could not understand you. Please write in the chat box, dear.
Ma'am, the book is burned. The Bharati publication book has came. It is a little bit.
I can't help you with the book, Utkarsh, because I have no idea about it. I haven't sent that book. So if you are facing any problem related with it, dear, please connect with the help support. Okay? I can just convey your message. Apart from that, Utkarsh, I cannot do anything. I can just be a mediator and convey the message. But I would really appreciate if you tell your problem to the help support by all yourself. Okay, everyone. So today's topic is average. We are going to start a new topic. Last time we were doing simple interest. We just finished simple interest and we are going to start the chapter average. So how many of you know about average? Just raise your hand. How many of you are aware about the average? Only Nandini. Utkarsh. And no one. Sign? No average. Delzi? No. Okay. Yes, Nandini, you tell me, what is average? What do you understand by it?
Ma'am, if there are like numbers, like 11, 12, 13, we will just add them. And then, like, how many numbers are there? 3. We will divide it by 3.
Okay, that means you're telling me the formula. Actually, okay, Utkarsh, you tell me what do you have to say about the average, then I'll explain it. Utkarsh?
Ma'am, in the first one, we have to, in the upper, we have to write the sum, and in the lower part, we have to write the observation, the number of observation.
Okay, that means you also know the formula. Yes, you both are correct. You both told me the correct thing. Yes, Delzi, you have raised your hand here.
Ma'am, average means not the maximum or the not the neither the maximum nor the minimum, but the middle part of it.
Exactly. Average is the middle part of a group. If I talk about average, average means the middle part of the group. Suppose if I say that someone got 23, someone got 28, someone got 21. So I would say that on an average, everyone is nearby 25, right? On an average, everyone is nearby 25. So average means the middle value of a group. And only one formula you have to remember in average, that is sum of observations upon number of observations. Okay, this is the only formula that you have to remember. You have to learn. Now, what does this observation means? How can we calculate it, right? Delzi, if you have any doubt, please turn on your mic. Otherwise, you can lower down your hand. Okay. See, so observation means what? Whatever information is given in the question, that is termed to be the observation. For example, if I tell you that find average of 2, 8, 11, 12, 14, 5, anything. Okay. I have to calculate the average of these numbers. So the numbers which are written, the values which are written over here, these numbers are termed as observation. Okay. These are the observations. So when you have to find out the average, what you have to do, whatever observation, that means whatever value is given to you, you will add and then you will count the number of observation like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of observation is 6 and sum of observation would be what? You would add them like 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 11, 21, 21 plus 12, 33, 33 plus 14 is 47 and 47 plus 5 is 52, right? So sum of observation would be when you add all the values given and number of observation would be count of it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, Ajish, you have raised your hand. Ajish, you are not audible. Ajish, you were not audible, dear.
Ma'am, are there only one formula for this?
Yes. There is only one formula for this average. You can find it only in one way. That is sum of observation by number of observation. Okay. And observation, I told you, it is the value which is being given in the question. You will not get only these type of questions. There are many different kinds of questions we will be doing in certain classes. We have many classes for it. But the values which are given in the question there, it is the observation. Now, who will tell me what will be the average for it? Try yourself once. Just a kind of practice. Try yourself. What will be the average, dear? Try yourself. Maximum. I don't want 62 by this and that. I want proper answer. Don't tell me in fractions. Tell me in proper way. Yes, only 30 seconds maximum. Don't tell me 52 by 6. It's been more than 30 seconds, dear. Still, I did not get any answer. Hey, Bhagavan. क्यों? Yes, Delzi. mic is off here.
Ma'am, 26/3.
Yes, Mitran? Pardon?
What
8 point? Yes, very good, Mitran. Only one correct answer I got. That is from Mitran. Only one correct answer. That is 8.6. Okay, Mitran, you can turn off your mic. Only Mitran gave me the correct answer. See, 52/6, I told you this when I was explaining you. I told you 52/6. But what you had to do, you had to divide it. And no one divided this. Why? Well, ma'am, point mein aayega, ma'am. Why will I give this much importance to this? Beta, even if it is in point, you have to find out, because 99% of the time, the answers, the options of the average, it won't be in fractions. It will always be in point. Maximum number of times in examination, it will be in points. So you have to practice how to divide, and you can get answer in the point. If I divide this 52, okay, let me divide on the another page. If I divide this 52 by 6, 8 times में 48, right? You will have 4. You will have 4 because 12 minus 8 is 4. Now, because this 4 is not divisible by 6, you will put a point here. And then as soon as you put a point, you will put 0 here. 6 times में 36, because 6 sevens are 42. So 36, again 4. That means again 0 and again 6. That means 8.666 will go on. You can tell on an average 8.6 is the correct answer. Everything you all can understand, but division you all cannot understand. I think Mitran is younger than many of you, as far as I can feel. But still, only he gave me the correct answer. Okay. So, beta, only one formula you have to remember, that average is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. This is the basic formula for any kind of question in the average. Okay, I will tell you some short tricks when I start the concept, but using this formula, you can solve any question of the average, any question of the average. I'm giving you all a very basic question. Find average
go to the
of.
previous page.
Why are you late for the class?
I was sleeping.
You were sleeping. So enjoy your sleep, dear.
No, because I came school at 8 o'clock. I mean, not at 3 o'clock. And then I actually reached home at around like 3:30. So yeah.
Everyone, beta, everyone is busy like you. No one is that much free. Everyone is busy. Okay, please wait, Vivansh. Remind me at the end of the class. I'll show you the first slide.
Okay.
Okay, remind me at the end of the class. Here you go. The very first question. Only for this particular question, I am giving you plenty of time. But next time, I won't give you so much time. This particular question, I am giving you plenty of time. Because it is the first question. And you can use your brain in calculation there. You can use your brains in calculation. See the options. The options are very nearby. Use your brain while calculating. You could have answered this very easily. Tejas, Nandini, Yashashwini, very good dear. First three to answer me. Nikshita, Delzi, Mitran and Utkarsh has also given the correct answer. But so many wrong. Okay, let us see. And everyone please turn on your videos and please do turn on your videos in the class because I can monitor you from here. If you turn off your videos, I don't understand that whether you are studying properly in the class or not. Okay, see dear. Average of 18, 12, 13, 10 and 9, right? Formula, only one formula is there. That is sum of observations upon total number of observations, right? For this question, I'm explaining, writing each and everything on the board there. Next time, please don't tell me to write everything. 18 plus 12 plus 10 plus 13 plus 9, right? And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number of observation is 5 and sum you have to calculate. So 18 plus 12 is how much? 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 13 is 53. And 53 plus 9 is 62. Right? 62 divided by 5. Now you can divide this 62 by 5. You will get your answer. Another way to do it quickly. Every option, when you see the whole numbers are different, like 12, 13, 14, 15. 12 fives are 60. 13 fives are 65. The answer, the sum of observation is 62. So, if you divide it by 5, your answer would be greater than 12. Because 12 times may 60, 2 remaining. So your answer would be greater than 12, but it will be less than 13. Why? Because 5 into 13 is 65. So without any calculation, without even dividing 62 by 5, you can say that answer is 12.4. Answer is 12.4. How? Because in my mind, I did 5 12s are 60. 5 into 13 is 65. Here I have 62. 62 is less than 13, more than 12. So my answer would be in between 12 and 13. More than 12 but less than 13. So only one option is there which is more than 12 but less than 13. That is 12.4. Got it, dear? Tell me, beta.
Ma'am.
Yes? Yes, Ajit?
Actually, I didn't understand the short trick.
Short trick was in the calculation, dear. If you can't do that, do this. 62 divided 5. 1 times may 5, 12. 2 times may 10, 2.04. You can do this. But I told you to use your brain. How will you use your brain? So my answer is 62 by 5. 5 into 12 is 60 and 5 into 13 is 65. I have 62 which is between 60 and 65. Right. So In order to do quick calculation, I know that my answer would be greater than 12 because it is 60, but less than 13. In my option, I have only one option which is greater than 12 but less than 13. That is 12.4. Yes, anyone else? Any question? I think Akrati has also raised their hand. Yes, Akrati?
From
Pardon, Akrati, can you please repeat?
ma'am, where the 5 come from?
Beta, number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 values, so 5. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else? Falak, I guess you also raised your hand. Okay, no one? If no one, then quickly take the screenshot. I'm going to give you another question. Find average of, for this I will give only 30 seconds, so be ready because you have to increase your speed. 7, 3, 4, 8, 12, 1, 16 and 5. Okay? Here you go.
Read the question.
Find average of 7, 3, 4, 8, 12, 1, 16 and 5, dear. It is not like finding the median, dear Vivansh. It is mean. Another name for this average, you can consider this to be the mean beta. Nandini, Tejas, Nikshita, very good dear. First three to answer me. Mitran, Vivansh, Delzi and Akrati has also given the correct answer. Very smart. Okay, see. What we will do? In examination, I know formula is set in my mind. Sum of observation. Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am, actually it was a misclick and the answer is 7.
Okay, beta, if it is misclick, you need not turn on your mic and tell me. You can write in the chat box. Okay, see. So, in examination, your process won't be checked, right? No one is going to check your process. Nothing is going to be checked. Only your answer. So, what you have to do in the examination, you have to do calculation in mind. I know the formula is set in my mind. Sum of observation by number of observation. So, number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, number of observation is 8. And now I will add all the values. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 12, 34. 34 plus 1. 34 plus 1 is 35. Now I can see 5 here. So 35 plus 5 is 40 and 40 plus 16 is 56. I will do the calculation in the mind only because single digit calculation is here. Now 56 divided 8, I know 7 because 8 sevens are 56. you can easily tell the answer. Any doubts, dear? Anyone? No? Okay. If no, then I have one more question for you. Please take the screenshot of it. The average of first 7 odd numbers. Okay.
Seconds.
Please don't get involved in the chat box, everyone. Tejas, Nandini, Nikshita, first three to answer me. Yashashwini, Sai and Saptarshi has also given this correct answer. But only Tejas and Nandini took 1 second to answer. Rest, everyone has taken lot of time to answer it. And you can answer this question within 1 second. You can answer this question. Tell me the formula.
Ma'am, the number of quantity what is given.
Yes, exactly. Whenever average of first any odd numbers are being asked, okay, first 7 odd numbers, first 10 odd numbers, first 12 odd numbers. So whatever is asked in the question, whatever is being asked in the question, that will be the answer. This is the short trick there. What does the short trick tells you? Short tricks tells you that whenever average of first dash odd numbers are asked, okay? Odd numbers, remember, what are odd numbers? We will do the calculation also. If I talk about first 7 odd numbers, what will it be? 1, 3, 5, right? 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. First 7 odd numbers. Now, short tricks tells you that you don't have to go for the formula sum of observation upon me number of observation. Whatever is the question asking you, that will be the answer. If first 7 odd numbers has been asked, so 7 will be your answer. It is that easy. If first 7 odd numbers has been asked, 7 will be your answer. You can check also. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 11, 36. And if I talk about 36 plus 13, it is 49. 49 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. But short trick says that you need not do this calculation. Why to calculate this? N will be the answer. N is 7, right? N means what? Number of observation. N is number of observation. So whatever is the number of observation, that will be your correct answer.
Ma'am, can you
Any
give the
doubt
same
in
type of
this?
question?
Pardon, dear. Yes, Vivansh?
I'm saying, can you give the same type of question?
Okay, we'll see into it. But if you have any doubt in this, please do let me know. Anyone any doubt in this, dear?
Ma'am, next time can you give 60 seconds?
No. 60 seconds. This question is only for 1 second. You are asking me to give 60 seconds. Yes, Delzi?
Ma'am, is it applied for even numbers also?
No. This is applicable only for odd numbers. Okay? Only for odd numbers. No even, no composite, no prime. Only odd numbers you can use this short trick, that whatever is the number of observation, that will be your answer. But remember, if first dash odd numbers are being asked to you. Quickly take the screenshot. I have same type of question for you. Okay, same type of question. First I will write the options. Find average of first first 16 odd numbers. I hope everyone one will give me answer within 1 second. Everyone can give me answer within 1 second. Still 3 remaining. Why? 2 still remaining. 1 still remaining. Who is it? Who is taking more than 1 second? Who did wrong? Yasha and Utkarsh. Okay, Mitran, Dhavik and Nandini. Very good, beta. You did it in the quickest way. Okay, see.
Ma'am, can you give the formulas? I was absent.
This is the first class of average, dear.
Ma'am, I was
And
late.
and the concept, when I started teaching this concept, you were present in the class, Yasha. I could see you on the screen. And another thing is, you were involved in the chat box. That's the reason you could not get it. Okay, see. Find average of first 16 odd numbers. So what I told you, the short trick. The short trick was very easy. What's that? Whatever is the value of n, that is number of observation, that will be your answer. So the value for n is 16. 16 is your answer. Okay.
Ma'am, I gave a correct answer, but I'm not in the board, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay. What if I remove this odd number and I write even number? Now tell me the correct answer. Options are same. Now tell me the correct answer. Here you go.
18.
In the poll. Let me see, still 3. Only 3 correct answer I got. Tejas, Yasha and Nikshita. Rest 10 of you have given me the wrong answer. Why? Because when he once said 18, so everyone went with him. That yes, 18 would have been the correct, right? Because ma'am didn't say anything correct or wrong. So 18 would be the correct answer. 18 is the wrong answer, dear. Okay, let's see. Yes, Mitran. Pardon, Mitran, you were not. एक second, Mitran. I think there is some network issue from your side because I could not get your voice properly, beta.
I'm incredible network issue.
Yes. Is there what? Correct answer is 17 here. Correct answer is 17. Mitran, I think there is some network issue. I cannot hear you properly, beta. See, I'm explaining this question, dear. I'm explaining this question. Question says that you have to find average of first 16 even numbers, right? This time odd number ki jagah you have even numbers. So what we will do?
Plus 1.
Those who want to speak anything, please raise your hand. Then I will allow your mic from here. Okay. Everyone, I have muted you. So you would not be able to turn on your mic by yourself because as soon as I start saying something, I don't know who interrupts me. I could not find it out. So I have muted all of you, dear. If you want to ask anything, if you want to say anything, please feel free. Just raise your hand. I will allow your mic from here. In this question, dear, you have to find out average of first 16 even number, right? And raise your hand not like this, beta. You have the option to raise your hand, okay? That yellow hand option. If you raise your hand in the video, I would not be able to see it. Okay, so raise your hand in that yellow hand raise option. For this, you can use a short trick formula. That is n plus 1. Okay, to find out the average of first 16 even number, you should use the formula n plus 1. You need not add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on 16 times. It's such a lengthy numbers, right? So what you have to do? You have to use n plus 1. N is what? N is number of observations, same as we did in the odd numbers. So my answer would be what? N is 16 plus 1. That is 17. Option B. Option B is the correct one. If any doubts, please raise your hand. No one? Okay, that's quite impressive. If no one, then take the screenshot. I'm going to give you one question here. And let me tell you that average and mean, sometimes arithmetic mean, it means the same thing. Average and mean means the same thing. Sometimes in the question it is written find out the average. Sometimes it's written in the question to find out the arithmetic mean. So please don't get confused. Both are the same thing. Find arithmetic mean of first 12 natural numbers. 6, 6.5, 7, 7.2. And here you go. Giving you plenty of time for this as well. Arithmetic mean of first 12 natural numbers. Four still remaining there. Sai, Nikshita, Yashashwani, very good dear. First three to answer me. Saptarshi and Yasha has also given the correct answer. Rest wrong. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, I did a misclick.
Okay, dear. Okay, see how we are going to do this. If any misclick, you can write in the chat box. See, you have to find arithmetic mean of first 12 natural numbers, right? Natural numbers are what? Natural numbers starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to 12. If you add these and then divide it by 12, you will get your answer. Add all the numbers up to 12, divide it by 12, you will get your answer. But what does short tricks tell you? Short tricks tell you what? Average of natural numbers. First dash natural numbers. Okay, remember this short trick is for the natural numbers. N plus 1 upon 2. N plus 1 upon 2. So n is what? Same number of observation. Number of observation is given in the question here, that is 12, right? Number of observation has been given in the question 12. So your answer would be 12 plus 1 upon me 2. 12 plus 1 upon me 2. That is 13 by 2. And 13 divided 2 is 6.5. That is option B, the correct answer. Any doubts here? Please do ask me. Raise your hand. No one? Okay, if no one, then quickly take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Going to give you another question. What is the average of all composite numbers? Composite numbers from 1 to 12. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is composite number, ma'am?
composite numbers refers to those numbers which are not prime numbers. In other words, we can say that composite numbers are those numbers which has more than two factors, okay? Which has more than two factors. In most simple words, composite numbers comes in the table of more than two numbers. Apart from one and itself, it comes in other table also, okay? And here you go, answer me this one. Still three remaining there. Quickly, three of you are still remaining. I got correct answer from Tejas, Yashashwini, Nikshita, first three. Nandani and Dilzi has also given the correct answer. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, see there. What is the average of all composite numbers from 1 to 12? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have to find out the composite numbers. 1 is not the composite number. 2 also no. 3 also no. 4 is the composite number, right? 4 is the composite number because 4 is not prime number. So 4 is composite number. 5 is prime number. 6 is composite number. 7 again prime number. 8 composite number. 9 composite number. 10 composite number. 11 again prime number. So 11 won't be counted. And if I talk about 12, 12 is also composite number because it comes in the table of 2, 3, 4, 6. Now what you have to do, you have to add all the composite numbers, all the composite numbers. So 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 10, 37, and 37 plus 12, 49. And how many terms are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to divide 49 by 6. You have to divide 49 by 6. Now, I will check the options I will not solve it further without division. Let us see that can we get the answer using option elimination method. So this has 6 in the denominator. Okay, my answer has 6 in the denominator and 49 doesn't come in the table of 6. For sure, I will have some mixed fraction only because it won't be simplified. So let us check the option. Here I have 2 in the denominator. So this cannot be my answer. It is a whole number. So this can also not be my answer. Here I have 6 in the denominator and here I have 4 in the denominator. In my answer, I have 6 in the denominator. That's why option C will be the correct one. 8 whole 1 upon 6. Because 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So option C is the correct one. Anyone, any question related with it there? Okay, if no, then quickly take the screenshot. I have another question for you. Find the average of first 6 multiples of 9. Here you go. You can answer me in poll. Yes, Ashwini, Nikshita, Sai, very good dear. First 3 to answer me. Mitran, Nandini and Vivansh has also given the correct answer. Okay, let us see dear how we are going to do this. You have to find the first average of first 6 multiples of 9. So first 6 multiples of 9 are what? 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. You will add all of them. You will add all of them. So 9 plus 18 is 27. 27 plus 27 is 54. 54 plus 36 is 90. And 90 plus 45 is a... Yes?
Ma'am, you only added 5 multiples, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where was I? 90, right? 9 plus 27, 54, 54 plus 6, 60, 90. Huh? 90, right? 9 plus 18, 27, 27 plus 27, 54, 54 plus 36 is 90, 90 plus 45 is 135, 135 plus 54 is 189, right? 135 plus 4 is 139 plus 50, so 189. Upon May 6. Upon May you have 6. Now divide 189 by 6. How much will you get? Tell me how much will you get? This is 18, right? So for sure in 3 times 18 will go. And then I have 9. Then I have 9. So 1 times me 6. 3 is left in the remainder. Put a point and then 0. So 30. That means 31.5. 31.5 will be the correct answer. Option C. Yes, Ajish?
And the last step.
What you did not understand, Ajish?
One is the large fraction.
189 divided by 6. Because beta divide it, na? Divide 189 by 6. You will divide 189 by 6, you will get 31.5. I did it in mine because I have that much practice. You will take time. For sure, you will take some time to do it in mind. Right? Anyone else? Any other question? No? Okay. So if no, then after some time, I think after half an hour, please do check your test section. I will be uploading some questions as your homework. Please do check that, and please do attempt your homework. Okay, please do attempt your homework, and in the next class also we will be doing the same concept, but today we did the basic thing. Next class we are going to learn basic question also, but some different kinds of word problem also. Okay, and that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, dear. Thank you for joining me. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Goodbye, ma'am. Goodbye. I'm playing Roblox.